Ka office ka district Tuberculosis East Khasi Hills District haka khandai tarik unai lur ar hajar ar poar kala penlong ka program ai Jinghikai Halor ka Jingpang TB nak benta ki samla pule haki college naka Department of Social Work jaka Saint Edmunds College haka district TB Hall ka badan hamau pram Shillong ka phang padeng jaka te ka program kalong tungin snok ti lang naka benta ban rat ding khong ya ka Jingpang TB ya ka bala penya ta ka kong Tracy Kharkamni state coordinator Hakani kasngi layoru ya kajing batai ke babania au Dr. M. Mauri State TB Officer ubaladon lang gumunongkran uba kongsan. Hakani kasngi kisamla pule jo ke Saint Edmunds College badru na ka Women's College kila penlong ru ka skit ke balingkon hakabaya de kajing pang TB bad bakum no da kajing kershanang ki bahayeng hasembat ki parlok parajor kala ban weng bad penkot pat yaki. Ka Dr. J. Kharwanlang District TB Officer DTO kabadai ruka nongkran bakar pang hakate kasngi kala batai shapang kidak kishin jangate ka Jingpang nang ta shapang ka Jingpang pulmonary but extra pulmonary badru iki project jangka NTEP.
Very strong drugs. Once they are drug resistant, very strong drugs. Most of them we have to hospitalize. We have to give blood. Okay, their blood level comes down, everything. So it's a scary world. It's like, you say, no, you heard about COVID, it's mutation and all. So that's why the bacteria also mutates. They don't like these drugs anymore. So that's why they become drug resistant. They have to take other drugs. Okay? We live in a world where at least now drugs are there. Scientists are there. Before, when this hospital was created? It was in 1943, pre-independence. It's nice, the surrounding. This is British era. Britishers built this. When they built this, it was a sanitarium. We didn't have medicines that time. So when people suffer, they say like they're just weak and all.
Women's College and all the first semester students of St. Edmunds College. I heartily welcome you all to the sensitization program held here at District TB office. I sincerely appreciate each and every one here for participating in our program, and I thank all the participants who have worked really hard for this program. The schedule of the program will focus on the topic of tuberculosis. It will include the definition, the causes, the symptoms, the treatment, the prevention, and schemes, and many more. I hope this event enlighten us all, and I wish the student social worker of St. Edmunds College will have a great learning experience today. I once again welcome you all. Have a good time.